Motorola and Lenovo just unleashed the AI revolution you didn't know your devices needed, and it's called Qira. Welcome to GadInsider, your go-to tech hub. Building on last year's Motorola AI bundle, Qira is a sleek, cross-device intelligence system that brings a proactive AI assistant to smartphones and Lenovo PCs. The idea was to put AI at the center of your tech life, so you get things done without opening apps. The star feature is Next Move. It watches what you're doing and recommends actions in real time. Browsing pizza photos? Qira might suggest, look up homemade pizza recipes, or remember this? Writing emails or essays? Write for me checks grammar, adjusts tone, and fixes mistakes effortlessly. Then there's live interactions, which lets users chat freely with the AI about what's on the screen or even what it sees through your camera, just like Google's Gemini Live. Lenovo PCs get a boost with the Creator Zone by Stability AI, letting you generate unlimited on-device images without sending data to the cloud. And don't worry about privacy, as much of Qira's processing happens on-device, keeping your data secure. Qira will hit Lenovo computers in early 2026, with selected Motorola phones following later in the year. With this level of AI assistance, your devices aren't just smart, they're practically doing your thinking for you. The era of intelligent tech is here, and it's called Qira. For more details, subscribe to GadInsider, like, comment, and share the video. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update. Drowning in unread WhatsApp chats? What if AI could summarize them for you in seconds? Stick around to discover WhatsApp's game-changing new feature that's rolling out now. You won't believe how easy it is to stay on top of your messages. Hey GadInsider fam! Welcome back to your go-to channel for the latest tech updates. Today we're diving into WhatsApp's brand new AI-powered feature that summarizes your unread chats. Perfect for when you're swamped and can't read every message. Let's break it down and see how it works. WhatsApp just dropped a feature powered by Meta AI that lets you summarize unread messages in a snap. Imagine this, you've got 50 unread messages in a group chat. Instead of scrolling through, just tap the summarize button above the chat and boom, AI gives you a quick rundown of what you missed. This feature is rolling out to English-speaking users in the US starting today. And here's the best part. It's totally private. Meta's private processing tech ensures neither WhatsApp nor Meta sees your messages or summaries. Plus, no one else in the chat knows you used it. Here's the catch. It's off by default, so you've got to turn it on. Super easy. Go to Settings, click on Chats, then click on Private Processing and toggle on the AI summaries. That's it. Now you're ready to catch up on chats without the hassle. This builds on Meta's AI tech from April, and it's all about giving you control. Want to skip the summaries? No problem, just keep it off. Whether you're juggling work, school, or just a crazy group chat, this feature is a lifesaver. It saves time, keeps you in the loop, and respects your privacy. Honestly, it's like having a personal assistant for your WhatsApp. So, what do you think of WhatsApp's AI summarizer? Are you excited to try it? Google AI just got a huge upgrade. Upload multiple files at once. Welcome to GadInsider. Let's explore how this changes your AI game. Upload up to 10 files or images in one go and ask Gemini anything about them. Sounds like a time saver? Stick around to see how it works. Google Labs VP Josh Woodward announced on X that Gemini AI now supports uploading up to 10 images or files in a single prompt. Before, you were stuck with just one file per query, which was a hassle for complex tasks. Now, whether it's PDFs, images, or spreadsheets, you can toss them all into Gemini at once. Available on the web, Android, and iOS, this update makes Gemini way more practical for work and creativity. Using it is a breeze. Tap the plus icon in Gemini's text field to open your gallery or file picker. Long press to select multiple files. Shift key plus click on window. Or keep tapping the plus icon to add more. You can mix images and documents, but there's a 10 file cap. Try to upload more and you'll get a message. You can only upload 10 attachments at a time. This feature lets you ask Gemini to analyze multiple documents together, saving you from juggling prompts. Why does this matter? You can now ask Gemini to summarize a batch of reports, compare images, or pull insights from mixed files in one shot. Sure, Notebook LM could do this, but having it in Gemini's main interface is faster and more intuitive for quick questions. It's perfect for students, professionals, or anyone handling lots of data. Plus, it's on all platforms, so you're covered whether you're on your phone or laptop. Josh Woodward's asking for user feedback on it. What features do you want in Gemini? This update shows Google's listening, but what's missing? Video uploads? More file types? Let us know in the comments. What's your dream Gemini feature? And have you tried the multi-file upload yet? That's the lowdown on Gemini's multi-file upload feature. GPT-5 and GPT-5o. OpenAI hints at future AI models with PhD-level intelligence. OpenAI has been steadily revealing details about its upcoming AI models, leaving the tech world abuzz with speculation. The company's chief technology officer, Mira Murati, recently hinted that within 2 years, people could see AI as intelligent as a professor. This new model, whether dubbed GPT-5 or GPT-5o or another name entirely, promises to build on the revolutionary GPT-4o technology introduced earlier this year, which includes native voice and vision capabilities. Murati's comments at a Dartmouth talk highlighted the significant trajectory of AI development. She explained, GPT-3 was like toddler-level intelligence, GPT-4 akin to a smart high schooler, and in the next couple of years, we're looking at PhD-level intelligence for specific tasks. This suggests a rapid evolution in AI capabilities with significant advancements on the horizon. Multimodal AI and market pressures. The launch of GPT-4o was a game-changer, integrating text, images, and native voice and vision into a true multimodal model. However, despite these advancements, OpenAI faces increasing competition. Rivals like Anthropic's Claude are reportedly outperforming ChatGPT, and Meta is ramping up its AI investments. OpenAI's focus has shifted towards a product-centric approach, with CEO Sam Altman considering making the company for profit and exploring a public listing. While the goal remains artificial general intelligence, Murati's comments suggest a nuanced shift towards excelling in specific tasks rather than broadly general systems, safety, and future capabilities. Murati emphasized the importance of safety in developing advanced AI. She noted, "Safety and intelligence go hand in hand, stressing the need for embedded safety guardrails." Future AI models could have agentic capabilities, seemingly collaborating with humans and other AI systems. Looking ahead, Murati predicted that within 2 years, AI models could demonstrate intelligence surpassing human experts in specific domains. This rapid progress necessitates a new science of capability prediction to mitigate potential risks. As OpenAI continues to innovate, the tech world eagerly anticipates the next generation of AI models poised to transform industries and redefine human-AI collaboration. How to use Meta AI to create images on WhatsApp. Meta, the company that owns Facebook, Instagram, and WhatsApp, has just integrated Meta AI Llama 3 feature on these apps. You can use this upgrade to create innovative images out of personal references just by describing what you want. The Meta AI chatbot lets you create an image with a simple prompt, imagine. Follow these simple steps to create images on WhatsApp with Meta AI. Step 1. Open the chat you would like to send the image. Step 2. Type @ and tag Meta AI. Step 3. Write the prompt imagine followed by the image description. Step 4. Tap on send and your generated image will be displayed in the chat. This functionality enables users to create images by providing descriptive prompts, promoting a creative and interactive experience. Meta aims to increase user engagement and expand the possibilities of visual communication within WhatsApp chats through real-time adjustments based on text input.